Hey guys, it's Alik from NatureWithAlik over here with a beautiful Lily. Hey sweetie, you good girl. Okay, she's my neighbor's dog and you can see she's got lots of fun over here. She's running all over the property. And amazing, another beautiful day today at Shulman Dragon Fruit Orchard. Running over, strong wind, and as myself and you guys surviving wherever you are around the world. People reporting me that they have tons of snow, rain. I know Europe is getting really crazy right now with very freezing weather in Germany, Ukraine, all over. It's so cold and snowing, and it's strong wind over here. My gosh, I'm holding. Hold me, breathe. Woo-hoo! Oh my gosh. Okay, so now Santa Ana wind. It's another couple days. It's really strong and crazy, and definitely we need to put some support to our plants, especially dragon fruit. Oh gee. Okay, hold on. Wires. Be careful. Okay, have to get used to my new fence over here. As you can see there, we built the passion fruit line fence over here, so when I'm gonna be running I want to make sure I'm not gonna get to the wires. Okay guys, back to you. Woo! Let me catch breath. So today's topic, how to save my plant from falling down. As you all been seeing, like a 1,000-pound plant fell down last week. This one is crazy, and we managed to lift it with my helper Juan. We managed to lift this 1,000-pound plant. We already put supports, so I'm gonna share with you multiple options how you can protect from falling down and breaks, and I will share it with you. But definitely guys, please subscribe to my channel. Very important. Lots of valuable tips to you regarding the plants, nature, whatever you need. Okay, get involved with me, but help me guys. It's left only like maybe 40-50 hours to get monetized from YouTube channel. It's like left a little bit. So right now I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how to protect my plant from falling down. And definitely we're gonna start with number one. The reason why it's falling down, it could be a rotten post below the container, okay, in your soil. Like I did install, I'm sharing with you guys everything based on my experience, okay? It did happen with me, it could happen with somebody else, but the people who start earlier definitely, got those mistakes. And you guys, new one who is growing the dragon fruit orchard at your home, please listen to our experience and definitely will help you. So those 4x4, I grow them, those posts are redwood, 4x4 redwood. It should stay much longer, but it does happen that they got rotten on the bottom and they start losing it's cracking all the way to the bottom in the soil, and by the time it's moving, everything get cracked. But we did install good bolts, we install lots of support, so hopefully it will work. But the new designs and everything to prevent this happening, definitely you gotta put the 4x4 sleeve post, okay? So that post will hold you guys forever. And we sealed completely with silicone around. No water gets inside, nothing top and bottom, everything is sealed. So that's the number one, that good idea to have. Okay, so that's prevent your base that attaching to your the concrete post. Okay, so there is 25-pound concrete block. I'm gonna show you right now. Those people who come to my orchard getting full tour and introduced to everything what's possible. Okay, so this one is 25 pound. Okay, just lift with my right hand. 25-pound post, and you can install the 4x4. It's gonna go inside here. Okay, so this is gonna be your 4x4 block. Go straight to this one. Just gonna give you example of my 2x4. Okay, it's gonna go straight on this one, and you're gonna put the sleeve on the top. Okay, the plastic sleeve is going to be inside here. You're going to slide it through, and the screws will hold your 4x4 post together with the post inside and the plastic sleeve. Okay, like example over here again. All this one installed, protecting. Okay, number one. Number two, those diagonals. Okay, four-sided diagonals will make it much stronger, your frame on the top. Okay, so that's the best way to do as well. So support, you need it, you can step on the top, and everything gonna be distributed. The weight will be completely distributed evenly to the 4x4 post, which will hold much better. Then another idea, lower your trellises, okay? Your trellises, make it lower 4.6, no more, including the height of the block, okay? So you see my previous videos, very important how to calculate everything, the height, and how to make it measures, you know, so you don't lose any materials, okay? So we spoke about the plastic sleeve that saves your post. Then the diagonals, this is the Pythagore, okay? So you're gonna calculate everything based on your frame, and you're gonna build these supports to your trellises. If you don't have the chance, okay, we start to do the ropes before. You remember the video? I'm gonna try to attach the video how to do the rope holding the frame, okay, from four sides. Very simple. You just punch a couple holes to your container over here. 2 holes, good rope, get a good 1/4 inch, a nice plastic strong rope, attach it to your frame, and you can balance your plant, your whole trellis. You can balance with lots of branches, or you can hold it, you can attach to some structure, okay? That's number 3, okay? Number 4, you can very fast build this, the 2x4 support, those legs. Okay, put one on bottom, one on top. This is all temporary, okay, because we're gonna start to improve everything in our orchard. I'm gonna show you how we did in the beginning, okay? So every plant right now that is shaking, we first put this 2x4. We calculated exactly how much needs to be done. Chop the 2x4, put a little bit padding under, so it will not damage the weed barrier, and we installed everything. You can basically install some like little plate, metal plate, to the top that connects your 2x4 leg together with the frame. And I'll show you right now a couple samples over here. We started with this one. That was the first one that actually fell down. Okay, I use couple like door hinges. You can see door hinges over here. We install fast couple screws and everything attached in the corner. Okay, so now it's all 4 legs, another one and another one. So it's all attached, nice and strong. This structure could stand forever. Okay, that's number 4. Okay, the next one we're gonna do, we already installed half of them. Those pipes, huge. You can use metal pipe, 1-inch metal pipe, or any. We use the fiber optic tubes over here. So those fiber optic tubes will nail them down to the soil. The bending very strong, and I put the metal clips. Okay, so metal clips going straight to this structure, and it's holding. It's all bendable. It could you know, fly a little bit, couple inches back and forth, but nothing does happen to this one. Okay, so I really appreciate, guys, if you subscribe to my channel. Any questions, I'm always sharing my tips, my ideas, you know, how to save, how to protect, and hopefully it will help you. Put your comments, let me know. So really appreciate, guys, if you subscribe to my channel, like, put some comments. Let me know if you're happy with the results that I can offer you, and I'll share with you some flowers over here of the yellow palora. So that's coming soon. We're gonna expand, okay? So that's amazing ideas that we have here in our orchard, and I'm sure it will help you guys as well. As you can see, all the pipes already installed. They just need to run with the metal clips and attach them to the frame. And so far so good. We're holding nice and strong wind right now. Another 2 days to survive. You can see the damage that's been done to my first greenhouse. Yeah, it's completely ripped off. But T-bar, if you don't have those electrical pipes or fiber optics, I mean, yeah, definitely you grab those T-bars, okay? So it's metal T-bar. You can use metal T-bar. Very careful when you nail it down. I mean, either slash hammer or the Nino, the tool that we use to install all the pipes here at our orchard. It's calling, we call it Nino. so that's the tool I'm gonna show you right now. Uno momento. Oh, here we go. Okay, that's the baby. That's the baby, okay? That's a big tool. You pull it on top and you nail it down. It has this, some with the spring, some of them without spring, but it's all gets power, you know, lots of energy. You have to be really strong, guys. So 2 people needs to be involved, okay? 1 person holding, another one carefully nail it down, but be very careful. Use the gloves. Watch, you know, where you're smashing your slash hammer, and be really careful. Safety is number 1, guys. Okay, so here we go. As you can see, the nice couple screws. Hopefully it will hold. I can easily manipulate with this one, and it's strong, holding my frame, and I'm very happy. This is a good solution. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Thanks for your subscribing. Again, this is Alik, Nature with Alik. We're sharing all the beauty of nature. Dragon fruit, hummingbird season is coming right now. Please subscribe. Definitely will share you lots of information about all this happening in my new location in Moore Park, Southern California. And welcome to all, guys, to visit and see the beauty of our orchard, and as well as, you know, harvest some fruit. People came today from Northern California, and I shared the fruit with them, and I'm very happy. Thank you so much, guys. Wish you all the best. Talk to you soon. Alik, Nature with Alik, 323-547-1273, and please click the like button if you like my videos, and I will continue to update you as well. Thanks. Bye bye.